Hey guys, this is Kryptonio back with a quick video. I know I haven't uploaded a video in a while, but I am been kind of busy with work and the fall time holidays coming up. So not saying that I haven't had time, I just haven't gotten around to it. But the market has been doing really well on the altcoin side the last couple of weeks. We know Bitcoin had its run up to 35K. It actually broke a little above that. Now some of that money is flowing into the altcoins. This is not altcoin season, in my opinion, but this is a big accumulation phase for all, probably most likely the whales and some retail that are getting into the market trying to buy these lows, and it's causing the price to pump. We may have pullbacks, we may not. I don't know. But after all of this accumulation is over with, and we do get the altcoin season after Bitcoin hits its all-time highs, you probably can 10x your portfolio from whatever number it's at, which for this portfolio would not be right at 13, because by the time all this accumulation is done, and then we have the Bitcoin bull run when the halving comes, and then we have the altcoin season where everything goes up 10x, 20x, 30x. You can do the math on your portfolio from that point and probably have about a 10x portfolio. If you go back to my other videos, you'd see where this portfolio was sitting. We had been in the red for a long time, and now we are in the green, and it's all thanks to CRO, which I don't have as much CRO as I wanted. But if we have any pullbacks, I'm going to be accumulating more. Harmony One is still the worst performer in the portfolio, meaning that I'm down on the Harmony One 38%, but I can dollar cost average up. So DCA is the way, we all know that. But the portfolio, guys, is finally in profits. It is finally in profits. May not be big profits. It's only up $52, but hey, we all know this is not a sprint. It's a marathon, and it's good to see that when one of your portfolios comes from the red into green, and that's all thanks to CRO. CRO been doing its thing. It's in the last 7 days in the portfolio, it's up 32.5%. 24 hours, 10%. In the last hour, 3.19%. Currently sitting above, right above 8%, right at the 8 cent mark. We know this is a big area to get over, because if we can get over this and come back and test this as support, we're probably going to go ahead and head to 10 cent. Um, Profit loss up 45%. $1,253.66 in the portfolio. I'll talk about some of the other stuff in the portfolio. I've added more Jasmay. I think the last time I done a video, I had 400,000 Jasmay. Now I have 500,000 Jasmay. Jasmay was actually in the green a couple of days ago in the portfolio. Now it's down 89. And with it being down, I may actually buy some more so I can continue to bring my average down. Uh, I'm really not buying anything that's in the green in the portfolio. Everything that I'm buying is probably more than likely going to be the stuff that's in the red. Harmony One, Cosmos, which is another one of my all-time favorites. I have 123 Cosmos in this portfolio. I probably will be adding more, but hey, it has been exciting for the last 2 weeks to finally see uh, portfolios get to where they're at now. Going over to Coin Market Cap, not Coin Market Cap, but Trading View, and so we're kind of getting, this is the crow chart on the 4 hour. We kind of broke out here at the top of the fib, which I kind of figured if we break the top of that and come back and retest it, that we was going to go at least to about 8 cent, and that's what this green line is, the 8 cent mark. and that's where we're currently having a lot of trouble getting over. If we can break it, we wick through it. I hate seeing long wicks to the top side. Um, that's kind of like a sign of you maybe going to retrace a little bit. And if we did retrace, we'd probably come back to about 7 cent even maybe, or around 7.3 in these areas right here. That could be an area of support on the 4 hour, in between this and that. Or we could come back all the way down here to the 6. Which one is that? I'm not going to pull that all over. I don't want to mess my chart up. But we could come back over here. If I can get this right without messing it up, guys. Just give me a second. We could come all the way back over here to the 0.065 area, which will be the top of the fibs right here. We could come back down to that. I don't know. With the way everything is, this look like this thing does not want to stop. It's just one came down here to the bottom here at the hit the 5 cent level, created a W, and that double bottom pattern, which is the W, and just kind of shot through everything after that, and it's been going up nonstop. But this is an area of significance, the 8 cent mark. We got a rejection here back in April from this area, and it was support and resistance over here through I'd say January to February. So like a month worth of consolidation, support, resistance, all in this area. Fell down, kind of created it looks like a Bart Simpson to me. Um, Came up, tested the 8 cent again, and that's where we got rejected from. So we've been on a downtrend since. Came back up to the 6 cent area, around this area here, got rejected again. Now we created an inverse Bart Simpson, and now we're heading back up to the top. Um, we're back up here testing the 8 cent mark. This kind of could look like a cup and handle in the formation. We could get here and kind of meander around to create the handle and then shoot on up. But either way, it's real exciting to see what Crow is doing. Um, in the portfolio, I don't know if I just showed you guys, but I have 50,000 Crow in the portfolio, 50,023. I do want to add more, and hopefully I can. But that's it for this video, guys. Just an update on the DCA portfolio for those who are interested in seeing, what the power of DCA is. And there's a lot of people I always tell like that DCA is the way. Constantly DCA if you can is, whatever you can, just DCA. They say don't look at charts. I hear some people talk about, not paying attention to charts, just DCAing. I don't totally agree with that. I agree with, even if you're going to DCA, you want to DCA at the right time. So I do pay attention to charts as I DCA, because if I'm not looking at the chart, then I'm just blindly putting my money in, and I could be buying a local top. I don't want to do that. I always want to look for the best chance possible to put my money in, so you can maximize your gains. But that'll be it for this video, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Kryptonio out. Peace.